Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, top 10 vital gists. So in this video I'll be showing you how to fix limited ads on YouTube videos. So in case if you've been approved for monetization, this is how you can fix limited ads on YouTube, on your YouTube videos. So this is my monetization tab. So if you want to fix limited ads on video, just go to content. So click on content by the right hand side. You'll see something like this, that yellow sign, that yellow dollar sign. You see that this video is running limited or no ads due to content identified as not suitable for most advertisers. So it remains fully playable and is eligible to earn subscription revenue from YouTube Premium. So what does this mean exactly? Sometimes when it happens like this, it doesn't mean your video have a problem or anything. So if you want to fix this, just hover your mouse on add suitability, click on request review. So you just read request human review. That is, if you're certain that your video thumbnail and metadata meets YouTube requirements, advertiser friendly guideline, blah blah blah. So just click, just check. I've double checked my videos. Then click request review. So they are going to review your video and everything will turn back green in a few minutes time. So later you just refresh the page and check it. So other thing I just want you to take a look at is YouTube channel monetization policy. It's very, very important. You have to just go over it and bear that in mind whenever you want to create videos. So in case if you have any question regarding this, feel free to put your comments down below. Ask your question, ask anything. I'll be ready to answer your questions. Please like this video, comment, subscribe, because I'm going to be uploading more useful videos, more vital information videos. Turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much and remain blessed. Thank you.